Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Vitamin C participates in chemical reactions that both protect host tissues and, at sufficiently high local concentrations, generate reactive oxygen that can damage bacterial membranes and DNA. In vitro studies report minimum inhibitory concentrations, commonly between 1 to 10 mm for susceptible strains, meaning laboratory exposure differs from blood levels after oral dosing. Oral intake of 500 mg to 1 g daily supports neutrophil function and collagen synthesis, but it cannot be relied upon as a sole treatment for systemic bacterial infections. Antibiotics remain necessary for proven bacterial disease. Laboratory experiments demonstrate bacteriostatic or bactericidal activity of vitamin C at concentrations often between 1 to 10 mm, whereas typical plasma levels after 500 mg to 1 g oral doses are far lower. Clinical trials in humans show modest reductions in duration or severity of respiratory viral colds with 500 mg to 1 g daily, but they do not demonstrate cure of bacterial infections. Topical applications or high local concentrations can alter microbial communities on skin, yet proven antiseptics and antibiotics remain the standard for clinical infection control and wound management. For practical use, 500 mg to 1 g of oral vitamin C daily is reasonable for general immune support. Doses above 2 g daily commonly cause gastrointestinal upset and diarrhea. Topical L-ascorbic acid products typically range from 5% to 20% for antioxidant and skin repair effects, and while they may influence surface microbes, they are not primary antimicrobial therapy for infected wounds. Always seek medical evaluation and antibiotics when you see systemic infection signs such as fever, spreading redness, severe pain, purulent drainage, or when bacterial culture confirms infection. Vitamin C can be an adjunct, not a substitute.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.